Hello, Mike around here. Today we're replacing this end of this extension cord. It no longer works. This is a task that I don't recommend anyone does. The only reason why I do not recommend it is because it's one, illegal, but I've got to do this to get through the night. I can't just go get another one. So, first, make sure the other end is unplugged. Grab your cutters. And cut the wire. So, the wire is cut. Don't normally leave a pig. Don't do what I've done. I cut it in the wrong spot. Cut right next to the plug. So, take your wire strippers. And strip off about 5 centimeters of insulation, or 2 inches. Before you strip the rest, take apart your replacement plug, slide the wire through and down to the lead. Now, strip the earth about 1 centimeter and then find the here. Focus. There's a green dot, which is the E. Put it into the E terminal and tighten down with the appropriate screwdriver, preferably insulated. Then do the neutral, which is the blue or black, which goes into the N terminal on the plug. Then screw shut. Then strip the active, which is brown or red. Put into terminal until it bottoms out. I stripped a bit too much off then. Trim it down. Make it fit. Then tighten down till snug. And then tighten down till they will not come loose. Don't snap the head off of the screw. Put into the cord holder and work your way around the opposite way to the way you put them in. And this is why I said strip off about 2 inches, because then you've got this. Slide the cover back over. Push in and firmly seat, and there you are, fixed. Now this is where I go into safety. Do not, under any circumstances, do this unless you really need to. The only reason why I say because you can go to prison, this was done with the supervision of a licensed electrician. You do not need to do this without a licensed electrician doing it or looking over your work immediately after. Do not quote me on that. It's what my electrician does. I am not saying name, company, or anything. This was done for video purposes only, and so I can finish my work. See you next time.